Why do we yawn when we're bored? Or worse, when someone else yawns? Most people think yawning just means you're tired, but scientists discovered it's more complicated. Yawning helps cool down your brain, like a built-in air conditioner. That's why you might yawn when you're stressed, bored, or even when your brain's overheating from focus. And here's the strange part. Yawns are contagious. Seeing or even hearing someone yawn can trigger your own brain to copy it, probably because of something called mirror neurons that make us mimic others. So the next time you yawn, it might just be your brain trying to chill out. Be honest, did you yawn while watching this? Drop a yes in the comments if you did.